Hey guys, so a couple of months ago, I joined a community called #IamACreator, and they've got a community on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube and all of the places where you would expect to find a community like this. And one of the things that we try to do in the community is help each other with our channels, not in a sub for sub kind of way, but in an actual supporting, sharing videos, commenting on videos, doing channel reviews, that sort of thing. And one of the things that I keep noticing on a lot of these channels is when you go to somebody's, like I said, a homepage of their YouTube channel, there's no content there. Now, if you go to the videos tab, there's probably plenty of content there, but there's nothing on the homepage. And after talking to some people, it turns out that there's apparently just people don't know how to do that. So what I want to do in this video is actually show how to really get the most out of your YouTube homepage and kind of edit some things, add some things, that kind of thing. Just kind of a makeover on a YouTube channel. So we're going to go ahead and switch angles, go over to my desktop, and I'll show you how to add these different rows and change out your banner art, that sort of thing. So let's go ahead and jump over and do that now. Okay, so here we are on my desktop. You can see that I've got my channel here, very basic header up here at the top. I've got my little brand mark here, my name, of course, my 8 subscribers. Thank you to whoever you are. And then below that, there's nothing. I don't have any content here. I don't have any featured channels. These popular channels, that's just something YouTube did. I don't have any control over that. But what we want to do is figure out how to edit some of this stuff. So what we're going to do, first thing we want to do here is actually click on, let's start at the top and work our way down. We're going to click this little camera icon right there. And here it's going to ask me to drag a photo over. And I, this morning, made some channel art specifically. Oops. Well, that's what it's going to look like. But that's the channel art that I created specifically for this channel. I don't know that I'm ever going to do anything with this channel again, but I thought if I'm going to do this demo video, I should have some channel art to show you what it looks like. So I've got my channel art there. You can see that it fits pretty well in all 3 of those layouts. So I'm not going to worry about adjusting the crop or anything. I'll go ahead and click select. And hopefully here real quick, there we go. Now we've got our channel art up there. So I'm not sure why it's blurry, but we'll come back to that. That may be something that we can fix later. Or it could just be YouTube being slow on what they're doing here. So next thing we want to do is work our way down. We're going to click Customize Channel. And then this is going to reload into a different layout. And so basically what we want to do is we want to come down. We want to basically scroll down to the bottom and click Add a Section. And we're going to come over here to where it says content. We want to select what kind of content we want in that section. So we're going to say like popular uploads. Of course, that's going to be a horizontal row, and we'll click done. And then we'll say add another section, and we'll say, what do we want to do? We've got uploads and we've got popular uploads. Let's say subscriptions. I don't know that I don't have any public subscriptions here, so not that. But maybe playlists. Yep, I've got some playlists there, so we'll go ahead and click done. And you can just kind of rinse and repeat this to add as many columns as you want. And I suggest adding a bunch. Because the more you can put up there, the more likely it is somebody will find something that they're interested in watching. And so basically what you want to do is add as many of those columns. Like, don't force it. Don't do anything ridiculous here. But add a bunch of these rows here so that people can see that you've got a bunch of content. And maybe you don't, but we can fudge it a little bit by making it look like you've got a bunch of content. So the other thing, let's see, we want to do maybe for returning subscribers, this will be up here. We can click edit and we can say feature content, and then we can go in and we can find a video that maybe we're really happy with. I'm a big fan of Ori and the Blind Forest. That was a great game. So let's feature that for returning for returning visitors to our channel. So what we're going to do here is say, we're going to call this an awesome game. And of course, you can title that whatever you want to title it, but that, for the sake of a gaming channel, that's what I'm going to title this one. So now, we'll go ahead and go over to new visitors. Now this is important because if you're if you're having new people coming to your channel, whether you're in a community like I am, or you're just telling people, hey, go visit my channel, this video is important because this will set the tone for your channel. Now, whether you find a video that you've already made that you really like, or you set up a channel, like a channel trailer that you've built specifically for this, kind of like an intro video to your channel, that's what you're going to put here. This is really, really important to set the tone for your channel. So, we're going to select our channel trailer. And then let's see, let's pick, the Red Hood, Diaries from Wolf, and we'll say save. And there is that. So basically, and now this up here at the top looks better too. I think it just took a second to process the image. So that's really all there is here to really editing a channel like this. Now there's other things you can do. If you want to give shout outs to other channels, that sort of thing, you could do something like, let's see if I can, nope. All right. So tell you what, let me pop open a new tab over here, and we'll say YouTube. That's my URL. So we're going to go ahead and put that in there. We'll click add, and there's that. And of course, you can then add as many of these channels in here as you want. I'm just going to add the one for right now, but you kind of get the idea that if I click done here, now that channel is going to show up on the top right over there. Or, of course, however YouTube has decided to change the layout at any given time. But let's remove this disable polymer equals true. And see if we can't get this. This is what we wanted to see. We're going to mute there, pause that. But this is going to give your viewers a much better idea of what's going on with your channel. It's like, if this is empty, like I've seen so many channels have empty front pages here, it's really off-putting. Even though you've got a videos tab, don't make people work for your content. This should be a seamless, easy, fun, relaxing experience for somebody. And if they have to go clicking through tabs to find your content, they're going to click away. And this is just something from years of building websites. The harder you make things to get to, the less likely you're going to get people to look for it. So basically, it's every time you've got, every time you make somebody click to find something, you've got a higher likelihood that they're going to click away. So really take some time. So like I said, I'm like 8.5 minutes into this video of actual recording time. The actual time to do this is less, but I'm taking some extra time to explain some stuff here. So take 5 minutes, go edit your front page to make sure that people can see what your channel's about and get a good idea of what you're trying to do with your channel. Get some channel art for the header of your channel. If you don't have any, I'll put a link in the description below where you can go get some super, super cheap. It's one of my websites that I've built. I'm doing them for like $5 a pop. Real quick turnaround. If you're interested in getting some channel art for your channel, go hit the first link in the description down below and I will get something put together for you really, really quickly. So, hopefully this video was helpful. If you've got any questions about anything specific, let me know. I'm actually planning on making maybe a series of videos on how to do more with your YouTube channel to make it more inviting, that sort of thing. So, like I said, if you got questions, leave those in the comment section down below. If you're interested in this kind of content, again, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, all the stuff that everybody else is telling you to do as well. And if this gets a good response, I'll keep making these videos and we'll just keep moving forward. So thanks for your time. I always appreciate your support and I'll talk to you in the next video.